हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे क्लास 5 ईवीएस इन्वायरमेंटल ऑफ स्टडीज चैप्टर 11 द फर्स्ट बैटल फॉर इंडिपेंडेंस द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. One of the first step toward the freedom struggle was the formation of the first political party in 1885 called the Indian National Congress (INC). Prominent key thinkers and social reformers like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Dadabhai Naoroji and Lala Lajpat Rai were a part of the INC. It brought together Indians from all walks of society. Lala Lajpat Rai, Lion of Punjab; Dadabhai Naoroji, the grand old man of India; Bal Gangadhar Tilak, father of Indian unrest. The main objective of forming the INC was to voice the opinion of the Indians. The first session of the INC was held in 1885 in 1907. The party was divided into two functions, the extremists and moderates. दो फंक्शनों में उस पार्टी को डिवाइड किया गया था, कांग्रेस की पार्टी INC को. The extremist function led by Bal Gangadhar Tilak was also known as the Gramdal or the host function. Some of the other members of the extremist function were Lala Lajpat Rai and Bipin Chandra Pal, who believed in immediate action. They wanted the common people of India to become a part of the freedom movement as well. The moderate function was led by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Surendranath Banerjee and Dadabhai Naoroji. It was also known as the Naramdal or the soft function. They believed in bringing about change through prayers and meditations. The Bengal partition. The INC was changed into a mass movement by Surendranath Banerjee and Sir Henry Cotton during the division of Bengal. The province of Bengal was too large for the British governor to control. So, on 16 October 1905, Lord Curzon, the victory of the Indian between 1899 and 1905, decided to divide Bengal into the largely Muslim East Bengal, now Bangladesh, and the predominantly Hindus West Bengal, based on the policy of divided and rule. This caused widespread protests among the people, and the day was declared as a day of mourning in Kolkata. It also helped to spark of the Swadeshi movement in order to bridge the growing divide between Hindus and Muslims and provide a platform for Muslim constituents. Salmukh Khan founded the Muslim language in Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. Due to widespread protest against the partition of Bengal, the eastern and western part of Bengal were returned in 1911. In 1913, Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Agra Khan, prominent figures in the struggle for independence, joined the Muslim language. However, difference between Hindus and Muslims had emerged, and two communities were eventually divided into 1947. Okay, the Swadeshi movement. The Swadeshi movement, invited by Gandhiji, brought about employment opportunity by uncovering village industries and increases production of Swadeshi Indian goods. Okay, गांधी जी ने ये स्वदेशी मूवमेंट को किया था, एंड उसमें जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट थी उनको विलेज, जो गांव की इंडस्ट्रीज जो होती हैं, उनमें उन्होंने एम्प्लॉयमेंट को रखा था. द मूवमेंट ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्वड boycotting British products. It was adopted to overthrow the British Empire from power and improve the economic condition in India. Gandhiji's aim was build a non-violent society since the strongly believed in it. गांधी जी का मकसद यही था कि Gandhiji's aim was build a non-violent society since he strongly believed in it. उनका एम था कि ये एक सोसाइटी होनी चाहिए जो बहुत स्ट्रांगली और बिलीव कर सके इस तरीके की. आफ्टर फॉरेन मेड प्रोडक्ट्स वेयर बॉयकॉटेड, इंडियन started to spend their own clothes and make their own products. Salt, sugar, matches and many products were manufactured within India. फॉरेन जो थे उन्होंने ये बनाना शुरू किया, जैसे कि सॉल्ट है, शुगर है एंड मैचिस, मतलब जो माचिस है, ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स को उन्होंने मैन्युफैक्चर किया. एंड ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल, बड़े लेवल पे, द मूवमेंट सो द ग्रोथ ऑफ डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज. जो डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्रीज है वहाँ पे उन्होंने ग्रो करना शुरू किया धीरे धीरे. स्टील प्लांट वॉज सेटअप बाय जमशेदजी टाटा. जमशेदजी टाटा ने ये स्टील प्लांट सेटअप किया था. रिनोवेटेड साइंटिस्ट एंड नेशनल आचार्यस प्रफुल्ला चंद्रा राय एस्टेब्लिश्ड बेंगल केमिकल्स फार्मास्यूटिकल्स एलटीडी, पॉपुलरली नो एज Bengal Chemicals in Kolkata. In due course, the British government was forced to bring about some reformers. The freedom struggle had started to become a mass movement. Revolts and demonstrations were forcing the British Raj to loosen its grip over India. The Swadeshi movement was significant in the freedom struggle because it improved the people of India. Okay, ये रहे जमशेदजी टाटा, फादर ऑफ इंडियन इंडस्ट्रीज. ओके, तो ये चैप्टर यहीं पे ही फिनिश होता है. हम अगले चैप्टर्स में इसकी एक्सरसाइज की बात करेंगे और इसे लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. ओके, थैंक यू.